Hello friends, welcome to Advanced Learning Tutorial. In this video I will show you how to use the pivot table. So the purpose of pivot table is to summarize extensive table in a very summarized form. So before you go to the pivot table, first of all you have to select the table that you want to summarize. So I will first of all select the top row. Then if you press the Ctrl Shift arrow key down, it will select the entire table automatically in a very quickly. So after that, go to Insert. Then the first option is Pivot Table. Then here you have two options. So where the place of pivot table should be. It should be in new worksheet or existing worksheet. So I always prefer new worksheet. Then click OK. Then from here you can see all the categories and all the items that you want to summarize. So first of all, I will summarize based on the volume. I will select the volume and drag it to the values. Then I want the years to be in columns. Then you can drag and drop into the column section. Then I will select the product category. I want to know exactly what category of product have been sold in 2017, 2018, 2019, and so on. So as you can see that this is a summarized information of a long table. As you can see that this is the product category, and here it shows the volume of products that was sold in 2017, 2018, 2019, and finally 2020. So here is the total of all products that have been sold in the last 4 years. And here it doesn't have any specific title. So if you want to change the title, just select the cell, and from keyboard you can press the F2 in order to bring changes into cell. Then you can change the name and write the product category. And one thing else, I want to show you that if you want to summarize the table based on any other category, so you can remove this title from here, and you can bring any other category. For example, this time I want to summarize based on the producer. So you can select and drag to the row. So this time the table have been summarized based on the producer. You can also change the title, and whatever changes you need you can bring here. If you want to again remove, you can drag back to the previous place. So this time I want to summarize based on the market category, so you can take and put it in a row section. Thank you for watching this video. So in the next 2 videos I will show you more advanced topics and pivot table.